some systems of equations stuff, and today we're going to review how to solve system of equations by graphing. You graph the lines, you see where they cross each other. Oh, it's just a true delight. So we'll start with number one. We're not going to do all of them. I think we have 4 examples we're going to do. So these are both in slope-intercept form, which remember you start with the y-intercept, which is the last number, and then you use the slope to find the next point. So if we are graphing y equals negative 1/3 x plus 5, we're going to start with the y-intercept of 5. Then we use our slope. If our slope is negative, we're going to go down and to the right. So we're going to go down 1 and to the right 3. Now, if you had a ruler, you could use the straight edge of a ruler and make that line very straight with just 2 points. I don't have a ruler, can't use one up here. So I'm going to keep going down 1, right 3, down 1, right 3. We could also go up 1 and left 3, up 1, left 3, up 1, left 2, 3. So here would be our first line. Okay. Then we're going to graph y equals x plus 9. So that y-intercept is positive 9. And there's an invisible 1 in front of there. So from that dot, you could go up 1, right 1. If you wanted to go backwards, you can go down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1. So that's going to be where they cross. Which is what we're looking for. So that coordinate is 3 to the left and 6 up. So 3 to the left would mean the x is negative 3, y is positive 6. Now if you substitute those back into both equations, they both work. If you did y equals x plus 9, negative 3 plus 9 would give you 6. Negative 1/3 of negative 3 would be positive 1 plus 5 is 6. So let's try out another. Y equals 2x plus 3, and then this crazy equation. Now that crazy equation is in point-slope form, which we'll get there in a minute. So y equals 2x plus 3, you go up 3, you make a dot. Our slope is 2, so we go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. You know the song. I hope you're singing along. All right, those are all the points I could squeeze on the graph here. Now, point-slope form, if you forget how to work in point-slope form, you can always move equations around to the other form. So you could distribute the negative 3 and then subtract the 8 to the other side. But point-slope form gives you a point and the slope. So the point where we're starting, it's kind of like the zero product property. If it says x minus 2, then our x would be positive 2, because the original formula has subtraction built into it. So like the x-coordinate is the opposite, the y-coordinate is the opposite, and then the m is going to be our slope. So then the y, it says y plus 8, but again, it's the opposite of what it appears. So our y-coordinate will be negative 8. So this will be our starting point, and then our slope is negative 3. So go to 2, negative 8, and then if our slope was negative 3, we'd go down 3 and right 1. Or if we wanted to go backwards, we can go up 3, left 1, up 3, left 1, up 3, left 1. Oh, that's where they cross. Up 3, left 1. We can keep going, but we have the point of intersection, which is what we need. And that coordinate right there is negative 1, 1. So we're going to graph 2 more, but I'm going to start the next video for those.